To a primetime news follow-up now. The Independent Commission of Investigations has confirmed its probe has started into the fatal shooting of 2 young men in Old Harbour Bay, St. Catherine by the police. The development follows a dramatic standoff between residents and the police in the community Saturday, where the men were killed. The details in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
The deceased are Negra Bailey, a 23-year-old tradesman, and a 21-year-old Daniel Mackenzie, both off Terminal Road, Old Harbour Bay, St. Catherine, where they were both shot and killed Saturday afternoon. The police say the men were killed in a gun battle. 2 illegal guns were also reportedly seized. The Independent Commission of Investigations is probing the incident.
The circumstances leading to the incident are being ascertained by Indicom, utilizing all available evidential options. The Indicom forensic team processed the incident scene, collected the requisite exhibits, and boxed the firearms reportedly involved. In addition to the investigative steps we have taken and are taking, Indicom's family liaison officer will be making contact with the family members of both Mr. Bailey and Mr. Mackenzie.
Indicom's findings could help to answer some of the questions residents posed on Saturday as they mounted a fiery roadblock in Old Harbour Bay where the men were shot. The residents claimed the men were not killed in a shootout as the police reported.
Murder. Police murder against the citizen. These youth isn't even a gunman. A win that they put in. What kind of brutality is in the state? We need the state to come together to rescue the children them and stop kill them.
That's your tool glass when I murder you. Them a joke thing, brother. Them could have killed me too. Me a fisherman. Them could have killed me too. Come on.
Things escalated at points on Saturday afternoon as some police officers and residents got involved in a shoving match. That was followed by some residents hurling stones at the police. Explosions were then heard. We were not able to tell if they were gunshots. Pepper spray was also used to try and control the crowd. A member of the St. Catherine South Police leadership managed to reason with some residents and get a level of calm.
So we have some police, not the external that you are upset with. That's why we don't know the full situation. So we have our investigators, we have Indicom investigators, but we do not want them to be facing any hostility.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.
2 women